Guys, we got about right at 40 pieces of miscellaneous here. We've got a tool. We've got 4 hones here, cylinder hones. These are nice. You've got 2, I think these have never been used. They're John Deere tie rod ends. You got a Bostitch staple. You got some staples. You've got a, there guys. You got a couple filters here. You've got jets for your sprayers here. You've got some lights, tape measures. You've got a filter for your older tractors. You've got a Vise laser R10, 10 inches long. I think you all know what that is. Bearing holders. You've got a new arm for lever for your loader. Here you've got weed eater string. Here is a
Leviton.
Yeah, it's the right
for
here.
crimping.
You've got 2 welder ends, looks like. You got a C-clamp. You got some rubber shocks here.